Welcome guys, in this video, I decided to give KOOLEEN'S EYE tutorial a try. Bear in mind that this is my first time trying a painterly art style, so I hope it doesn't suck. Anyways, into the speed paint. KOOLEEN'S first step was to make a parallelogram and a ramen bowl inside. Not an exact eye figure, which is usually made of planes like this. A stylized or anime version is fine too. Notice how I keep erasing the sketch slightly. According to KOOLEEN, it helps color over it later and makes the sketch look softer. The dreaded coloring process. Here I added the blobs of color to plan out where the highlights, shadows and darker parts are going to be. Since the eyeball sits in a dark socket, the colors around the eye are darker. Here I'm blending and throwing down colors like a toddler might draw with crayons. All I can say is trust the process. In case you haven't noticed, I downloaded KOOLEEN'S brushes just to make it look as identical as possible. Then I added a reddish color, which is the eyeshadow I suppose. I've noticed that KOOLEEN uses very dark and desaturated colors in her art, however you can mix up the palette to your liking. I finally add the pupil and the iris. KOOLEEN prefers to make her eyes very cloudy and blurred, which make them look dreamy. I went with a similar approach. Adding the highlights was definitely the most fun part. So here is the final result. Let me know what you think, and if you have ever tried the tutorial yourself.